finish up uyazi kuhambani like away.
Always. But
What's good, bro?
Ben, bro.
Good,
It's good to see you, my friend.
Danko.
You just visited me for a fresh haircut, my guy.
I look good. You have to look good, bro.
How's your Saturday looking?
But it's still morning, yeah, boy. It's still early.
Sure.
Cannot tell how it's going to end, but yeah. So far, so good. Since I'm getting
so
a haircut, a slack.
Away, not away, my G.
No other way, bro.
Always. No, it's so good to see you. I've been seeing you making a lot of movement.
Yeah.
I really appreciate that, Vetu, when Amachita Vetu are out there working, yeah, boy?
Yeah, my G.
So we always gonna keep it that way because Vetu, in movement, in Vetu, invite and Vetu, in next move. You understand?
Indeed, bro. Indeed, the face.
So how has everything been on your side? Hallelujah, compared to how's 2025 looking about?
Hey, I don't wanna lie, dog. Hey, it's been busy, dog.
Sure.
Monthly busy nje. Plus, yabo hosting events, yabo sizama ukuhlanganisa amajita, ukuhlanganisa ama connections.
Sure.
To ensure ukuthi mfethu we pave the future, yabo.
Sure.
Because ngibone ngathi umuhleli dog uyayibambezela, yabo.
Sure.
Ukuhlala ungenzi lutho and knowing ukuthi vele unetalent unamaphupho.
Sure.
And for thina ke dog esikhula kuyithina sodwa emakhaya, yabo. So wonke umuntu ubheke wena, yabo.
I feel you.
Yeah.
No man, that's deep of it, and I really admire you just specifying it before we go anywhere further, my brother.
Sure.
Just take me back, Mfethu. Who said it? And what you're on about? Tell me where you come from, my dog.
Yeah, so mfethu NB said it's kahle. That name it's actually an abbreviation of amagama amaphelele Nkosikhona Brandon Zulu. Yabo.
Sure.
Isibongo sami.
Sure.
So instead of me saying Zulu, since kuno big Zulu yabona ubani Zulu, just said, you know what, I said it because I know what's everything I say and I mean everything I say, dog, yabo.
Sure.
And ngokubona kwami ukuthi okuningi engikushoyo mfethu kuyenzeka kunalento ekuthiwa i-law of attraction, yabo.
Sure.
So mengithi NB said it, baningi ngibatshela ukuthi kuningi kusazowenzeka okuhle kumina mfethu ngempilo yami. Plus growing up mfethu la eWaterloo, akekho ngisho umzali obefisa ukuthi ingane yakhe idlale nami, yabo.
For real?
Very, dog.
Why?
Serious, dog. Ngokuthi yabo mawukuthi uyabuka ukuthi luyamndeni lo ngathi izinto zakhona ehambi kahle, yabo. And akekho bengana umzali like wangishiya ngisemncane kakhulu abazali mfethu. And mfethu yabo ngikhula ke kanjalo bebebuka abazali lo mfana lo ngathi wenza izinto ingane zabo ezingazenzi. So now ukuthi ingane zabo izodlala nami, yabo, it's like ngizotrek ingane zabo to impilo yami le enzima, yabo.
Sure.
Yabo leyo nto. So bebengajabuli
Yeah, but you know that's just sad to hear. What's good, my nigga? Away, fresh cut vibes, eh? Away. No, we're gonna trap it. Tell me space like for my dog.
Not right now, bro.
Oh, not right now. When you come back. Away, feel you, my dog. We're back then, bro.
Away.
Hey, my G, what you're just saying, Beto, it comes with a lot of disappointment from society.
Yeah, true.
Because phela Beto Tiwa kunesisho ngiyathemba ukuthi ngisisho kahle, but makuthi ngiyasilibala ngeke ngisisho, yabo leyo nto.
Yeah.
Kunesisho Beto esithi I mean, let me just leave it, but Beto ingane mayikhula endaweni
Ikhuliswa
umphakathi.
Kumina mfethu ngathini kukhona emphakathini abangimelile mfethu, yabo, ngokuthi ba understand bebeyazi uma, yabo, bebazi already. So bakwazile mfethu ukuthi noma sekungasekho umuntu eduze kwami babe abazali kumina, yabo. Hey, my life has been sad, bro. I don't wanna lie, yabo. Even after local 2014 ngenza matric, I think uyazi I broke both feet first. Ngaphuka inyawo zothu.
Sure.
Ngahamba nge-wheelchair. And lapho I was writing my final exam, yabo. Ngithe mengikhipha ukhonkolo wokuqala kwashona time. You understand? So the following week ngikhipha wesibili kwashona isister okuyena umuntu obese uma kumina, yabo. Umuntu obekwazi ukubeka ukudla mfethu endlini, yabo. washona. So that's when mfethu kwaqala khona lolu thando lokubhala yabo, ngilokhu ngibhala ngezinto engiyifisayo, ngibhala ngento engiyifunayo. Mengithi ngiyabuka lento engiyibhalayo, it's more like a poem yabo.
Sure.
So kwaqala lapho ke lento yama rhymes and everything. I fell in love with the music, dog yabo. Ngathi yazi the only way to express my feelings is to just write yabo, ngibhale mfethu. And lokho futhi ngitheme ngikwenza ngilalelisa abantu bathi shit yabo, bathi wow yabo, yabo wathi oh shoot lento ikhona mfethu yabo. Okumele ngikwenze nje ukuthi ngilokho ngiqhubeka ngingagive up.
Sure.
After that ke umuntu wahamba wayeJozi 2015.
Sure. Oh, you went to Joburg?
I went to Johannesburg,
okay.
bro.
Was it based on your career?
Yeah.
You're gonna be like trying to pursue, or maybe you visiting family that side?
I had no family that side, bro. Ngitshela ukuthi umuntu belala ngisho ama toilet dog ko Mall of Africa. Ka SABC ka Metro FM dog lapha ngingene building la ka Metro FM la ka SABC nje the whole building. Ngene lapha uyabuka ukuthi ayisehlwile manje, so wenza njani? Ayilale toilet. Avuka toilet nang DJ Fresh kanjalo. Kona la umuntu ayilele khona eMall of Africa etoilet mfethu yavu ekseni ngo4 ngibona ngebhuzu nje manje ama toilet yabo umnyango wakhona uphakeme yabo. Sho leli security liyabona ikhanda uthi umuntu lo leli lapha yabo. Mfethu ngibona ngebhuzu nje namkhokho ngithi ngivula amehlo nali ibhuzu la eduze kwekhanda lami. Ndoda kulalwe ema toilet la kwenzenjani. Kubandani lapho mfethu eGauteng kubandani. So yeah, it was just fair to push iphupho mfethu. Umuntu wagcina ehlala kokalawa nje mfethu yabo.
Sure.
Nakhona kukhona ukuthi izinto ze-slow mfethu aziqondi.
Sure.
So kwaphela 3 years umuntu engale eGauteng. Nakhona umuntu wayahamba nje engazi nokuthi uzolalaphi, it was just ukuthi ngizohlangana nabantu aba-right. Yabo.
No, but I feel you. Sorry, I feel you.
Yeah.
Man, your journey has been very challenging.
Yeah, mfethu.
And in fact, he said it himself, what when much is given, much is tested.
It's tested, yeah.
Yeah, but so I believe to go to the person that you are would have never been if you won't be nanga nezimo.
I'm a challenge.
So what made you like decide to go to in everything that I've done in my career? You told us that you pursued dancing, yeah, bro. You pursued dancing, and unfortunately waphuka mfethu. I think kokulesi sikhathi samavosho ne. Yeah, I remember back then mfethu when mfethu kwakusaduma amavosho. We last had Uvaka la on a show. Kwakusaduma Uvaka to atekela Uvaka. Yeah, I remember that show.
Yeah.
So the music part mfethu after what you just said, I just wanna go back to every song that you've written, bro, because all kinds of like the things that have happened to you, they've inspired the lyrics, everything. Yeah. So who was around you when you were like starting music? Because I believe you didn't know how to produce by then or how to record. So who guided you? When you said, no, Yazin, let me just start now.
It was Gifted. There was this one guy too Gifted, yabo.
Sure.
I'm just best pusher now because we ain't sahamba naye ngisho sayeJozi. He was very, very good. I looked up to the guy.
Sure.
Yabo. Kakhulu mfethu ungiguidele intweni eziningi, yabo, on how to actually put my rhymes together, yabo yonke leyo nto mfethu.
Sure.
Ungiguidele kakhulu Gifted mfethu. And bengibukela kwama artists yabo abanye abantu abanginspirishayo. Umuntu onginspirisha kakhulu nje mfethu, onginspirishile nasekuqaleni uJacob, yabo.
Sure.
But manje useqala ukushintsha ke nayo sebhala music engingawu understand so far. Wona la. But back then mfethu izinto abekhuluma ngazo lo mthitha bekungathi ingoma uyibhalele mina straight up. Yabo. And then
you understand him, I understand.
Yeah.
No, but your story is very touching. And to all the best and wishing you just success in everything that you do. So coming from Waterloo, a very humble township, not one of the oldest, but I think kulega man.
Yeah, indeed.
Kulega man based on imnyaga. So right now, we kind of far from Durban. But yeah, we are around Durban. So how does it feel for you? And has it been more figure on stages whereby you feel like you wanna perform? No, where is Waterloo? How has it been for you to just pave your name in the industry, especially like Durban, and the entertainment like Durban at large? How has it been to you?
I don't want to lie, about like Durban in face so far. To get to perform face, it's not easy. But especially uqhamuka endaweni ongaziwa nawe awaziwa. Ngathi abantu bakufuna mesusuwaziwa and ukwaziwa nowadays kudinga imali kwayikhona ukuthi ugcine ufike leso stage. So uma unganamali ungana backup, it's a bit tough when it's hard yabo akukho lula. But kuyijourney yami mina ngifuna uqamba manje ngitholile support face kwabantu vele who are doing things yabo. Nani angazi noma mhlambe into okuthiwa inesikhathi sayo yabo. So I feel like nami okuningi okwenzekayo njengamanje kushuthi sekuyisikhathi yabo. I feel like that bro, cause ngempela abantu abakwazi ukuthi bemane bekufaka kuma lineups bengakwazi.
Sure.
But amajita angigayela support mina mfethu even though bebengangazi bangifaka kuma lineups yabo ngokuyikhulumela nami kwami yabo. Kufuna ukuthi ube active, akufuna ukuthi ulale bro, akufuna ukuthi uyitshela ukuthi into ngeke uyenze. Okungcono uhamba uhluleke khona bro yabo. Eyona nto yala eDurban ifuna ukuthi ungalali bro. Uzifake kuthiwa lo mthetho uyazifaka zifake face yabo. Akukho okunye uwena ozazi ukuthi ufunani yabo.
No, I feel you bro, you bro, and I really applaud you for that Vethu. Saying as courtesy the Vethu we haven't been seeing hip hop events like Waterloo, and you're bringing that back in Vethu. So tell me about the events that you've been like hosting, like what's the vision behind it? And take me back like from the first one to the second one that you did.
Yo bro, so the first one was just yabo bengihlangane nomjita lo i-owner lendawo ethi seqhudeni uSibo. So just spoke to the guy nami face ngalento yami ukuthi angifuni ukulala, ngifuna ukulokhu ngisebenza ngenza izinto ngomusic. Ngamtshela ivision yami ukuthi mfethu ngifuna ukwenza into kanje because usually la eKasi kwenziwa ama events or house piano yabo leyo nto, and as thina kama upcoming artists asikwazi ukuthola opportunity endaweni kanjalo. So I just told myself ukuthi ngiyawazi ama artist because benginalento ukuthi ngihambe istudio zonke yabo, ngifuna ukuhamba ngirecord so kanjalo ngathola ukuconnecta nama artists amaningi. Ngathi mina okay angizameke mfethu ukuthi ngenze something ye hip hop eceleni ebese siyabafaka nabo DJ yabo, but kube nje strictly hip hop yabo. And i-support engayithola kwi-event yokuqala was so amazing bro ukuthi ngathuka kwayimini ukuthi wow yabo, kusho ukuthi abantu bayayithanda hip hop. Kuyikhona ukuthi abanikwe opportunity ukuthi benze izinto zabo yabo, badinga nje lo muntu oyi-one ozoyimela i-hip hop ozowenza show ukuthi kuhlezi kunama events nama performances yabo leyo ukuze bekwazi nabo showcase ama talent abo. And amajita talented nabantu abaningi futhi bayabathanda lo bafethu abashaya hip hop ngenxa yespan sami. So the first event was a success, in fact, sold out yonke into. It was just so amazing bro. Second event, yeah bro,
I even pitched, you remember?
Yeah waqhamuka now bro. And thank you very much for that bro. I really appreciate it. And ASB event bro, nakhona like kuba kuningi behind ukwenza event bro, ama sacrifices and everything yabo. Akukho lula ngifuna ukuqamba manje because ama artists o DJ bafuna zonke lezi zinto mfethu, bafuna ama rider, bafuna imali, everything kumele ile plus mina nginama sponsors. So ngenza team bro, I made a team. I-team yami ibizwa nge-101 experience manje yabo. So we all about hip hop nje mfethu kahle.
Indaba yini to inspire club 101 motivate akaphumi mfethu Glenn ama club ivumeli 101 experience. You remember 101
So yeah, I remember. The one from town. Yeah.
Sure. I'm just kidding though.
No, indeed bro. So ukuthi it's igama laphuma ngokuthi i-event sasoyenze one yabo. And kwakuyi event yokuqala, so it was one of
one of the one.
One of the one, yeah.
Ghana, one of the one.
So that's why kanjalo igama le 101 experience,
Sure.
yabo. Yeah.
Napeta applaud you Vethu. Passion yakho my God Vethu kulanda ukuthi yabo lonto. Because Vethu hey dog Vethu umuntu menza into but they need to feel it.
Yeah.
And many ibone ngesponsor ukuthi bayifika Vethu.
Sure.
So Vethu, no, I'm so proud of you my dog.
Yeah,
so proud of you.
bro.
So what's next in Vethu for NB Sated by G?
So-
like what can we expect Vethu? Any features, any projects?
Yeah. Yabo nje njengamanje ngisipana kwama projects awu2. Njengamanje khona enye siqediwe ezophuma like phela kwalenyanga.
Sure.
I'm just waiting for umjito wenza i-cover art ukuthi aqede angibuyisele and then I upload it iphume kuwo wonke ama platforms all DSPs fethu. Izobe featuring artists like PA Fagalo Ice,
Sure.
Grenade.
Shout out to PA.
Yeah, shout out to Grenade, fethu.
Sure.
I really appreciate it. And those are the only 2 features kule project ezophuma. Kule enye like cause ngathini, yes I'm a hip hop artist. Kodwa ngifuna ukukhipha i-project ye-piano mfethu, which is like maybe 5 or 6 tracks.
Sure.
Sesiqalile siyasebenza la
Oh, that's
kuyona.
good, man. I love your versatility, bro.
Yeah, siyasebenza kuyona. Khona nenye futhi i-mixtape where I'm featuring nje ama-artist, ama-vocalist.
Sure.
Yabo, ukuthi azoshaya ama-chorus mfethu. And then I'm planning an album futhi ukuthi ngisafuna ukubuilda i-fan base. As soon as ngine-fan base nginabantu engazi ukuthi ngizorelya kubona yabo. Ngizokwazi ukubakhipha le-album. But so far it's just building that ngalama projects engwenzayo eceleni.
Sure.
And the album already nje singine-structure sayo song from track 1 to track 12.
What's the title?
Yeah, project ezophuma umlabalaba first.
Labalaba. No, but let me just tell you something, man. Like when I listen to your songs,
Yeah.
I get that thing. Yeah, boy. You said you were inspired by J. Cole. But to me, Mfethu, on what you work on, Mfethu, soundela njengozola. Honestly, bro.
Yeah.
Have you noticed that?
Yeah, khona abantu abasho njalo first. You're not the first one to say so.
Yeah, so Mfethu, iyangichaza isound yakho, but because ingalalela wonke umuntu, yabona. Izinto lezi esibhekana nazo that we normally don't want to talk about.
Yeah.
Yabo, and leyo nto ngayisho Mfethu ukuthi iblind bafo Mfethu, yabo.
Ngiyabonga.
Iblind kakhulu Mfethu.
Zenda's very
Blind
kind.
kakhulu Mfethu. So you're gonna perform a song for us, my G.
Sure.
Just introduce it to us, and Mfethu sees ukuthi usiphatheleni bafo Mfethu on the Barber Show.
Yeah, so ingoma engizoyishaya mfethu Sanibona igama layo. Sanibona yabo. So the song first is inspired by mengivuka ekuseni ngibuka abantu bahustlisha first. Wonke umuntu kahle unenkinga zakhe yabo. And kodwa asekho isidingo sokuthi uhlezi ukhuluma ngeenkinga zakho because it's like manje ufuna abantu bekufilele sorry. Okungcono ukuthi uvuke ukwenze mfethu uhustlisha. Uhlanganise ngendlela ohlanganisa ngayo. So le ngoma ngiyenzela ama-hustler mfethu. Aba-hustlishayo nje ababingelela nje ngithi sanibona. Ma-hustler endawo.
Sure.
Ma-hustler omhlaba.
No, Mfethu, no, that's all good, Mfethu, and you said it, Mfethu. Mfethu, I'm just gonna be honest, Mfethu, with you, Mfethu. Sikhule Mfethu ndawonye. I've seen you trying different things, and Mfethu, everything that you've done, Mfethu, has been evidence of your passion, yabo.
Sure, much.
So Mfethu, into nje ngikufisela wena ukuthi just keep your head up. It's not gonna be easy, but in the hardships Mfethu, that's where you're gonna grow your strengths, yabo.
Yeah,
Because Mfethu, I believe ukuthi umzimba esidlula kubona ibona obusenza sibe namandla. So kukho konke Mfethu obhekana nakho Mfethu, don't look down, just look up above.
Yeah.
And Mfethu ke Mfethu kukho konke ke Mfethu oyimisele ngakho Mfethu, always put efforts bafo Mfethu, as you do, yabo. So basically I'm just telling you ukuthi nje Mfethu, it can only get better. Just keep up Mfethu with what you're doing.
Ngiyabonga mfethu.
It can only get better from here, yabo, because Mfethu ngoba ngichazile ukuthi I so admire your passion. I so admire Mfethu like i-push onayo energy dog to what you offer to people, yabo. So the dog effects perfect.
I appreciate it.
Just keep at it.
Thank you very much, bro. Nami ngefethu ngibonga abantu mfethu abangisupporta because most of the time mfethu ama-cheater like they really do support me, bro. I don't wanna lie.
So we got it. It's the Barber Show way. Let's go.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's NB Said It, your boy, all the way from Waterloo. I'm just going to perform a song for you titled Sanibona. Let's get it. Yeah.
Abavukayo bahlanganisa impilo, abagulayo bekhulekela impilo, nocabangayo acabangela impilo, kuyaphileka sanibona. Abavukayo bahlanganisa impilo, abagulayo bekhulekela impilo, nocabangayo acabangela impilo, kuyaphileka sanibona. Hello sanibona, kuyaphileka lapho 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 sanibona. Indoda ikhale vele ikhale khona, konke amahlala khona, makuyimpi sifela khona. Ungaphela amandla banamanga bazokubona khona. Sidlala kuba mnyama kuyagqilaza lapho esiphuma khona. Sisunjani umoya ngithemba kuyaphileka lapho khona. Nokudlala inkumbulo ngiyajabula njalo ma ukhona. Phela kekho omunye wena kuphela umndeni usuwaphela ithina kuphela sesikhona. Thanda ukubonga idlozi lingigcinile nami ngisekhona. Endisingabakhohlwa bangenzanga lutho kodwa stili baboshwa abasolwa ngokuthakatha ngenxa yokuguga bakhona nalo lophuma esibhedlela sekuthiwa ngeke saphuma naye ukhona. Impilo le ikusasa laziwa kodwa nalo likhona nabayibambe khona thukhona bedayisa bakhona abazalwe beyishosha baye kukhala basipana labakhona.
Awungithi molo awungithi molo kuyaphileka sanibona. Awungithi molo awungithi molo kuyaphileka sanibona. Awungithi molo awungithi molo kuyaphileka sanibona. Awungithi molo awungithi molo kuyaphileka sanibona.
Abavukayo bahlanganisa impilo, abagulayo bekhulekela impilo, nocabangayo acabangela impilo, kuyaphileka sanibona. Abavukayo bahlanganisa impilo, abagulayo bekhulekela impilo, nocabangayo acabangela impilo, kuyaphileka sanibona. Hello sanibona, kuyaphileka lapho 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 sanibona.